Welcome back to the Rolling Acres chapter, BBQ Pit Boys. This is the Cheshire Cat. Today we're going to be doing some mud chicken mole. I know it sounds weird, but I've done this before and everybody loved it. So what you're going to need some peanut butter. For the mud sauce, with the mud sauce we're going to be adding some molasses and some mayonnaise, and of course we're going to be using Poultry Perfection by BBQ Pit Boys. So for the mole sauce, I know I'm going to probably get in trouble for this, but we want to make things easy and we want to make them, it's going to be good. I've made this before and it's really delicious. So once again, need some peanut butter, some dark chocolate, and the enchilada sauce. So we're going to get this started. We're going to mix up the mud and we'll be back to do the chicken. See you in a few. Okay, I took some of this chocolate, some of this chunky peanut butter, and I put it in the microwave for like 2 minutes just to soften it up. I'm going to take this enchilada sauce, I'm going to pour it right in there. And we mix it up. And this will be our mole sauce. You can see it's got a nice color to it. Pretty good. Okay, in this jar you'll see I got 1 cup of mayonnaise. We're gonna take maybe 1 cup of this peanut butter. Come on, peanut butter. Should have let this heat up a little bit. All right. And maybe a tablespoon, sticky, of this molasses. Tablespoon of molasses. Come on. There we go. I want to mix this up. Should give us a nice little mud sauce. All right, there's our mud sauce. So now we're going to take the chicken. Sorry, I wasn't prepared. We're going to take our chicken and we're going to season them with Poultry Perfection. Get them all around. So I'm using Poultry Perfection as a binder for the mud sauce. So I'm going to hit these up pretty good. You see, I didn't trim these. I didn't do anything special. Still a little frozen. All right, so we got them seasoned up. Now we're going to hit them with our mud sauce. We're going to hit them pretty good. We want to get underneath the skin. We want to get these really muddy. I actually saw Bobby Fame do this. Kind of gave me the idea. We're going to mud these up real good. See if I can get underneath the skin here. Last one. Get this in. All right, we're gonna let these sit for about an hour, maybe a little bit longer. Then we're gonna hit them at the smoker, and we're gonna be using cherry. Okay, I got the smoker going. I'm using a vortex. We're gonna put these chickens right around the vortex. Add a little bit more seasoning to these. All right, and then we're gonna put some cherry right here. So we're gonna come back in about 15, 20 minutes and check it out. All right, these been on for about an hour. You can see they're starting to caramelize. I'm gonna start probing these. Let's get right in there. All right, come along pretty good. All right, we got this pan heating up. We're gonna put the chicken in. All right, now we're gonna pour this mole sauce right over top. Can you smell that? It smells good. All right, we're gonna let this go for a little bit. Cook right in there. That looks good, huh? We're gonna pull it. See you inside. All right, we've been waiting for this part, and this is the part where the pitmaster eats in front of you, and we do not apologize. So this is done. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks good. Oh yeah. I'd pick it up with your fingers here, but this is gonna be good. Mmm. Well, you get the chocolate, you get a little bit of heat from the enchilada sauce, peanut butter. This is a win. This is definitely a win.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.